Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm CS Sudhir. Mr. Kamraj has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, what are the different types of insurance plans one must have? As I keep saying, don't buy endowment plans, don't buy ULIP plans from insurance companies. The reason I say that is because of the fact that when you buy these plans, you're basically going to compromise with the returns you're going to make, right? So I don't suggest you to use these investments. Then what are the other insurance plans one must then compulsorily have? I suggest you to have only 4 different insurance plans. So these are basically for 4 different purposes. Number 1, insurance against death, because you carry this risk of death. You never know when you're going to die, right? So which means it may so happen that in case if you have an early death, your family is going to suffer financially. Hence, you need to have insurance against death. So what does it do? It is basically the term insurance which gives you coverage against death, which means in case if you die early before the term, before you attain the age of 60 or whatever the term you have chosen, then your family will get the sum assured, which is whatever is pre-decided, whatever the premium you have paid, based on that you get the sum assured to your family. That's one. Number 2 policy you need to have is for disability, that is called personal accident policy, what we call as PA policy. So in case if you meet with an accident tomorrow, you break your leg or break your hand, or you lose your eyesight, you lose your voice, you lose or whatever, I mean any kind of damage which may happen to your body, then you may lose your job, right? Because of that you may not be able to work. So which means you will not have any income. Just to ensure that that is being compensated, you need to have a personal accident policy, and this is one of the cheapest insurance policies available. It doesn't cost you a lot. It costs you very small amount. For 50 lakh rupee coverage, you may have to pay annual premium of some 2,000-3,000 or 4,000 rupee maybe. And with this kind of money, you'll get almost 50 lakh rupee coverage. I want you to buy this, and this is something which is not based on age, right? In case of term insurance, as the age increases, the premium also goes up, but here it is not that. So this is also very important. You must have it. And the third one is illness. So in case if you fall ill tomorrow, so whether it is any normal illness like your COVID, or it is like critical illness like cancer, kidney problem, heart problem, things like that. So you need coverage on that. So you must have health insurance policy to cover it. It is important to have a good health insurance plan. And then to cover your assets, you have a factory, you have a house, you have a building, you have car, bike, you must have motor insurance or asset insurance, home insurance, building insurance to cover these damages. So I want you to buy this. These are individual plans available with different companies. You must have it. But apart from these 4 insurance plans, you don't have to buy anything else. I want you to buy it without fail. This is why on Financial Freedom app, we've got courses on each of these insurance plans. Apart from the courses, so we have got even buying tips, how to choose the best one. Because there are so many companies. In India, we should be having about 65, 70 insurance companies. How do you choose the best one? You don't know, right? I mean, so there's you need to learn. The reason I keep saying, if you want to be rich, you should be wise, is that, if you don't learn, then people will fool you. So I want you to choose the best plan. So you've got the complete guide in Financial Freedom app that will help you to do that. So please download Financial Freedom app from Play Store, App Store. Watch all these courses related to insurance. Apart from that, we have about 65 courses on personal finance, career, business, farming, and life skills. All these courses will help you build your life. And since you are a Republic TV viewer, you have an interesting offer. If you enter Republic TV as a referral code in Financial Freedom app, you will get flat 50% discount. Yes, if you enter Republic TV as the referral code, you'll get flat 50% discount. Please enter Republic TV as you see on the screen in the referral code, and you'll get 50% discount. Please claim this offer today. And if you have any questions related to any of these topics, please post your questions in the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.